Today we're going to do a little review on the permanent match. This one here, I went ahead and pulled the wick out of it, but you can see they have quite a long wick inside of them. And what you do is fill this with lighter fluid, and then you just keep that in there. And then I'll show you the one I filled up. This one right here, it's filled up. They come with just a little bit of wick hanging out, just about like that. And if you grab that with your fingers, you can actually pull that wick out, because up in this tube the wick is all wadded up, and there's actually, as you can see, quite a bit of wick in there. They say when you do use these that you don't want them to burn longer than 10 seconds, or otherwise it starts burning the wick. You just want to burn the fuel off. So since you can only use them for 10 seconds or you start burning up the wick, you want to have a tinder that's going to be very flammable. Either something like some fat wood, like we got right here, and what you do, let's go ahead and open that up. There's a little flat piece right here on the end of it. You just go ahead and go right down that ferro rod. And if you get lucky, there we go. Then you light your tinder on fire and you hurry and put your stick out. That way you don't start burning up that wick. But there you go, we got the tinder burning. We'll go ahead and use a little cotton too. This is one of my favorites. Either the fat wood or the cotton ball with a little Vaseline on it. What I do is I use these little plastic waterproof match containers and fill them with cotton ball and put some Vaseline in there. And they're waterproof, they seal right down, they got a rubber seal in them, and keep them in your bag. Let's go ahead and light the cotton ball on fire. Just a quick stroke. There you go. Put it out, stick it back in there, and seal her back down. They actually work quite well. Like I said, with this one here that I pulled the stuff out, you got to be real careful. These inside, that little insert's supposed to come out, but I couldn't get it to come out. This one here, I actually broke the tip off trying to get it to come out. So you can see they'll last for quite a while because they got a pretty good long wick on there. But like I said, they're designed to have that little tiny short wick that's on this one right here. And you just flick it, get it burning, hit your tinder, and then put it out. That way it'll last a lot longer. Alright, that's my review, and that is how you use a permanent match. Pretty interesting little device. They are waterproof and they are sealed. They got rubber seals in there, so nothing's gonna leak out of there. And you throw that in your bag with a container of Vaseline cotton balls, or a little baggie with some shredded fat wood, or you can take a little fat wood stick. I just shredded some up for this video. So alright, thanks for watching. Bye.